Alright, I guess we'll start today's video like this. Video number 2. Honestly, today I'm gonna just swap some wheels over on the black truck, and then on the white truck I gotta fix the starter with the way it's rotated. The bolts backed out, so yeah. The way I got these wheels was the ones I traded off of the black truck originally. They were some Moto Metals, and I was on Facebook Marketplace trying to trade up somebody, or trade down at least. And it took me about maybe 2 weeks just to get something that caught my eye. And the only wheels that I found that the dude seemed cool with trading was one of these HD Lux wheels. And these are 20 by 10s with a -12 on them, I think. And obviously these wheels are spray painted because when I looked them up, these are all chrome, polished, everything. And then someone just decided to, spray paint them cheap. And they look alright, but from a distance, they look, decent wheel. But up close, they look like shit. So today, we're gonna put them on. But yep, these are the wheels we'll be throwing on the black truck, on the GMC. And I just noticed one of them has a nail inside of them, so doesn't matter. We're gonna put 35s on this truck, so it'll be sick. But yep, here's the wheels all lined up. Honestly, I do think they will look pretty cool. I'm gonna see how they look on this tire setup, but obviously we're gonna do a 4.5 inch lift kit on this truck because it is 2-wheel drive. So, but I don't know, I'm digging the look now. I don't know if I want to strip the paint and polish them or repaint them to a different type of black, because it's like a matte black right here. And this one, yep, that's the one that has a nail in it. But it's still holding air because when I picked them up, they were on the dude Suburban. So, and obviously one of them has a missing bolt for the hubcap, but ain't no biggie. But yeah, this truck's a 5-speed. Overall, motor's healthy. It's got that 4.3. They last forever. But yeah, let's mount them on. And if the homies are watching this, just know I miss you. I need a boys' night ASAP. y'all hear that knocking, that's my little 1-year-old over there, all happy, smiling at me through the window. Probably because she doesn't want to eat her breakfast, but you know what every guy needs? A block of wood that will never let him down. Always there for support. But I can't find my block of wood because I don't know where I left it. There's my block of wood. If the homie John is watching this, your truck's slow. Just let me know down in the comments what kind of content y'all want to see as well. Because I just want to film stuff just for fun. Because I get bored and I want to be creative. I get it, you know, using a chrome socket on an impact. I just don't got time for that. installed. I'm not gonna really like put too much money on this build, but it's gonna be a fun daily driver. Try to save up some gas, obviously on the V6. You can hear me this time, but I just did a whole video where the mic was catching anything. So now I just gotta repeat everything I said, but basically this truck's got a 5-speed behind it, a built LS2 block to a 6.7, cam, crank, gears, I mean everything. It's got 706 heads because I wanted that higher compression, but the heads have cracked and now there's coolant inside, very little, but it's starting to build up, so I'm gonna have to park it for a bit and then daily drive the black one. That's why we're working on that one, and then from there, once we fix this, we'll get to the C10 hopefully. But I don't know, you just gotta record everything you do. But yeah, right now taking off the battery. Not a fan how GM decided to place all their terminals on this side against the fuse box, because that shit's a ass. As you can see, look, this hoe is just about to come out. Honestly, look. So yeah, gotta fix it. Alright, just got back from the liquor store. We got these. Oops. I'm gonna put some thread locker on it, just so these don't back out again. that's gonna be it for today's video. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, do whatever you do, share. I don't know. It's up to you.